I don't know what it said. I mean, Matipat also got it. I mean, I wasn't what I didn't have a chance to watch that many of these. Let's say Polish, the OG Polish cartoons that everyone used to watch. I was a skibidi toilet. Actually, I wasn't. Hello, Laser. I watched a shit ton of. I forgot. Kind of like Ben. No, I knew Ben 10. Phineas and Ferb was like really often. Um, Ed, Andy, Chowder, I think. I was on Cartoon Network though. And Cartoon Network for some reason didn't want to work 80% of the time. Kapitan Bomba, I've never watched it really. Oh, what Tsimuch? Dude, I remember watching What Tsimuch even though I was not supposed to. Because I was way too young for that. That was goated. Even though the shit that they were saying was, I don't know how was it allowed, but it definitely was something. Yeah, it was like very old. I was watching it when I was like, what? I am talking with myself. It's the schizophrenia maybe. Oh, you can insta gear up. I don't know if that's what you wanted or. Okay, it was like lucky actually. Actually, I'm too fast. What if you made this a penalty? Personality? No. You could keep full gear free with this penalty here. You don't. You people don't want to. You don't want anything. But it works. It's just really hard to get both this and this. Very like. Do not crash into the wall here. What here? I mean, you can. What is Giuseppe? It's a frozen pizza from Dr. Edgar, I think. Okay, do I go here? What the fuck is wrong with me? Here or one to the right? Oh. And once again, I'm putting the wrong one. Oh, he misspelled it. Wait, so Garbo is like trolling, no? Mods? Why do I have this reset even?
Jakem donovolt jeden americký dolar, wův karfofl.
What is being said? Wolf kartoffel. Real? Rezi, do you call potatoes kartofle or ziemniaki? This is a very important question. Oh no, these don't have the color. Ah, fuck me. How does this happen all the time? Mapping. Wait, is this even... It is, right? It should be. Wait, I can do new travel in 6 minutes. That's kinda crazy. Okay, I'm gonna do the same for this one. Ah, but this... Into like... Ping, 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 ping.
Jakem donovolt jeden americký dolar, ananas i banánan po polsku.
Yeah. That's Wait, what? Ananas i bananan. What's the meaning? I am very confused. You didn't know that? That's crazy. I'm not a trillionaire. I'm actually $50 million in debt. No, this one also doesn't work. I'm spamming it right now. Numpad, but then it turns my cam off. Oh. And it doesn't help either. Mods. I'm being gaslit. Wait, I think it was like... I have no idea. It is what it is. Wait, no, I wanted to do it here. Terrible fortune. I believe it should work, but something is making this not work. Very unfortunate. Bira music. Even though Bira doesn't listen to Dev Grips. 8 maybe. So it was like 2010. So I was definitely
Level 5 got Riz, Livy done rizzing up
a
baby
piggy.
Gronk, Ice Spice what the dog doing, Skibbity Toilet in real life only in Ohio,
No.
We Go Jibs is Creatine Alpha Sigma Cadabor.
Jakem Donovolt jeden americký dolar, dobranoc kochaně benen i ananas s kapustom i mísem.
Good night, Jake. Thank you for the $1 trillion. I will make sure to buy 1 million beers for that. Honestly, I was like born in a perfect time, not gonna lie. Because I got to grow up without Skibidi Toilet Braid Rot. I got to watch banger shit on TV. Like low-key, perfect time to be born. Imagine being born now, bro. Like it's too late. It's too late, bro. Why weren't you born 20 years ago? Dexter, dude, that was actually goated too, yeah. What else? From like cartoons. I mean Ben 10 also. To get to here. Is that a problem? I can drive. It's like really hard to keep third gear. Hmm. I mean, I don't know. It depends if you wanna like exit right after to the left or something. But then this like works the best. Again, I don't know what other transitions. But like, it should be good. Kendrick. Maybe this like block gives less bump or something. Yeah, that this could also work, but it has this disadvantage of looking goofy. With creature. Do we have creature wind creature emotes? Now. Mods? Or is creature silly? That's literally me. Do I put anything else here? What? How? Oh.
Jakem Donovolt jeden americký dolar, sebula i jaja s makom zjem jak žanom.
Real shit. That's the real food. I love free blocking every single block I place there on the ground. Stop
Jakem Donovolt jeden americký dolar, ananas.
ananas. You have too much money, Jake, I think. I mean, I'm fine with free block. I just have to free block because otherwise it will just disappear, and it's annoying. Because I free block in the grid, pretty much. Wait, what if I put... Oh god, why am I going to France this Friday? Okay. Since when is Warsaw in France? Since today. Poland, France, same thing? Okay, buddy, take that back. Why would you say that? It's true? No, it's not. W. See you, Agra. Thank you for stopping by and telling me about the Shadow Deluxe. Wait. This could work here.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
Lingo, thank you for the raid. Hello. Okay, these touch each other. I can... Wait, I could use these versions. No. This is ruined. Why are these not painted? What's this emote? Creature smile. It's a good one. Both? Actually, same. I think in our region people say kartofle. But I have absolutely nothing to back my words on. Is this upside down? Bro, what the fuck is happening? Yeah, that's what I wanted actually. True. True, true, true. What do you mean click slash? Wait, this needs to be even lower. Oh my god, I hate mapping, actually. Why do you map people like Loki? Like, stop mapping. Wait, really, the slash? Wait, how? No, I'm clicking it. What? Slash. This one. Yeah, I'm clicking it. It's your Italian keyboard, maybe different layout. It's where the question mark is, no? Am I tripping? Mr. Beast? I can't see anything. Why am I mapping? Bro, it's so hard. Oh, look at this, guys. What? The trees. This is splendid. This is splendid. I'm so chilling, actually. Wait, travel. I need to do travel. Quick break. Israel to Russia. That's so easy. What? Syria or Syria? Why is it so quick? Boring. Man, these travels are too easy nowadays. Please. I put everything on red. And I bought 1 million beers, and that's how it's shit stuff. Yeah, but banan ananas. Yeah, but what's the thing? I'm clueless. Please save me. I need to know now. Why is my skin silver? What do you mean you're more clueless? You said
Jakem donovolt jeden americký dolar, bajo jaho i kartofl s kefirem OK.
yo, another dollar for a trillionaire? W Jake. But the TTS is in Czech, so... Hey, where the fuck is my... Oh. Eminem, my goat. He would clear Kendrick in a beef. Holy shit. The ceiling here. You ate dinner next to. Oh, true. I think I remember you then. Like, there were so many people. And did the owner also wanted a picture with you? Or maybe you took it with us? That guy was a boss man. Ah, fuck it. Actually, no. I can do that. How to use or create the water blocks without collision on the bottom? I have no idea, actually. I never do that myself. But I could see, like, putting one on the ground, I think. Like this. Copying it. Like saving it, I guess. But then you can't really... Can't free block that. Wait, where the fuck is it? Here. Can't free block water blocks. But I know that if you like place it somewhere on the like I don't know really. I've never done that. I know some people did. Why are you doing this, Jake? What is the... I need to understand the reasoning. I need to know. Please tell me. Why is that in check? I don't know. The TTS is in check. Bolek i lolek. Goated cartoon. Those who know. Those who know. I need to put something here. It's like really empty. I have a plan.
Jakem donovolt jeden americký dolar, mat i pat sasiadzy.
Okay, I need to somehow... Where do I put this? I don't know if you can even skip that much far. Turn up music? No.
Jakem Donovolt 1 americký dolar, kapusta kiszona i paznokcie kury okej.
Okay. Oh, I feel like I still have so much shit to do with the scenery. It is tough. Clean scenery. Thank you. Probably one of my best sceneries already. I usually can't cook a good scenery, but this is a...
Jakem Donovolt 1 americký dolar, bolek i lolek.
I never watched SpongeBob. I never liked SpongeBob when I was younger. And also there wasn't Nickelodeon for the most time of our, like, in our TV program for some reason. Do I... No. Do I? No. Maybe? Yeah, I will do that. No. Should I? No. Maybe? Thank you, Fred Wolf. W message. W L? L is like a really good letter. I mean, Polish is the only Slavic language that uses W instead of V for some reason. That's why Polish is best. Or this piggy Czech, for example, with a V. Why the fuck would you use V when you have W? Let's be real. I'll just put it to the... Am I supposed to gear up here? Oh, this is better. Oh, wait. Nice driving, bro. I don't know. Why is there a penis made out of trees? Cup of penis. Okay, I get it now. It's hard, okay? It's hard. No hate. How are you building so hard maps when you're like Div 60 player? That is crazy. I don't play Cup of the Day. Argument becomes so. I know for a fact people who only map, they do not play the game. I can drive. I can drive. Why can't I drive? Okay, I'm goated. Okay, I so one-shotted. But I don't place these kind of blocks ever, so I'm clueless. You still have the autographs? Okay. Okay, this looks kinda cursed, but I can't really put... Hmm. Say a word? Oh, skibidi. If you see me at XP, just say skibidi to me. This look applies to everyone. Except Whoop. I wonder why. I will not tell you. Why, Garbo? It's a mystery.